I have no help here right now. We're just gonna go for it, right? I'm terrified. All right, backflip time. Just pan. So you guys have been asking, oh, you did a scooter, you did a bike, you did a skateboard. Where the rollerblades at? They're here. They're here. I was doing a drift strike a second ago, and I did a catastrophic hesitation. It just destroyed it. So the intermission is me doing it on rollerblades. I'm putting my hat on though, because that's the key to it. I need to have something on my head, and I don't want that helmet for this one. So we're gonna go down here, move all this out the way, and then try some backflips. The only thing that terrifies me about this one is I have no help here right now. There is no one at the park besides us and staff.
FaceTime be free. Phone friend.
FaceTime be free.
Let's go outside. I think I have better service. Answer, B. I need you.
You're really about to be in this alone, Nigel.
I need you, B. Come on, man. I need some motivation.
Uh-oh. Missed. The one time you needed him most. Oh.
All right, well, I have no pointers. I'm gonna just...
I do. I have a pointer for you. Miguel, I have his number.
You have his number?
Yes.
Call him. I'm on my own. I'm on my own. So, whatever. I'm just gonna... Whatever. We're just gonna go for it, right? Ah! Okay. All right.
Why don't you just show him the little the gap you just hit real quick?
All right. Let's hit this gap again.
He looks a little too good at them, doesn't he?
A little too good.
Ooh!
Little tweet.
I think I'm embarrassed to know him.
I'm absolutely embarrassed to know him.
What? What do you say?
Doug said, wow, there's even the tweak that time. And I said, yeah, I think I'm embarrassed to know him. And Doug said, I'm absolutely embarrassed to know him. Hey, but when you do a backflip on it, everything will be redeemed. Oh, you also got a burn on your elbow. A little bit of blood.
Nobody makes me bleed my own blood.
So you only bleed other people's blood?
Yeah.
All right, so what are you going to do here? How are you going to do this? Have you even rolled into it yet?
I did the little one.
How was it?
Weird. This is weird. So I'm just going to do another like jump.
Just going to film everything, my friend.
And then we're just going to go from there.
Explain to that camera up there.
All right. You guys are coming with me. Why do I come up with these dumb ideas?
Challenge. You like a challenge.
I do like a challenge. And then I get to the challenge and I'm like, this is terrifying. This is dumb. Like, why are we doing this? You see how slow I walked up those? There's a reason. I'm terrified. I'm gonna do a jump just to get the feel of it. I'm just like nervous about this for some reason. I don't know why rolling into this freaks me out. The little one was all right. All right.
Dude, that's some air right there.
Yeah. I feel like I could front flip these so easy. I'm going to throw one right now because I just feel more comfortable. And then I'll throw a backflip.
Okay. Try rolling up all the way.
Hell no. All right. There's no way. There's no way, Gabe.
You know how B does it, right? He goes up, grabs the railing, and kind of like inches his way up.
I'm not doing that again. All right. Woo.
How was it rolling down?
Still sketchy.
But not as bad as I thought it was going to be, or?
Not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's still sketchy. All right, let's have some fun. Bring back old gymnastics, Nigel. Pew.
You would have gapped over the resi.
Yeah, I'm not going to do a front flip over there. Hell no. All right, backflip time. This one feels weird.
I think it's going to be the same thing as the track. It's going to be harder to land. Easy to throw, but hard to land.
Yeah. I just got to like, just tuck right. I'm just going to think about it as like a backflip on a trampoline.
You're good. Full send, brother.
Dude, how do you land that though? That's what I don't know. Oh, I know how I'm going to do it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go higher and I'm just going to tuck slower. And then when I come around to just like Sheckler squat it.
Not a bad idea.
Because I feel like I could have over-rotated that one. That's my fear with rollerblades, is I feel like I'm just going to go whoop.
Let's go slow.
Yeah, you're right. Don't do it. I feel like I could so easily over-rotate this. It felt cool. I just, at the end, I don't know if you saw me like flare out. I kind of low-key panicked. So now my goal is to just figure out the flip to tuck rotation timing and all that, if that even makes sense. I just gotta flip slower, I guess. Let's try it.
Think that might have been it.
Probably. This might be easier than I thought it was gonna be. I might be able to double these really easily.
Do the regular.
I'm not gonna promise anything. I just feel like out of all of the things, bike double flip and these, very possible. Don't quote me. I shouldn't have said anything. That's gonna be in the comments. Oh, don't double flip now! Don't double flip now, man! Season 2 backflip everything. Throw another backflip in there. Season 3 backflip everything. Backflip tail whip. Yeah, that one felt good.
You try it again. In the bag.
Yeah, one more bag. That was good. How was that?
Beautiful.
All right.
I think you're ready.
Okay. I don't think I am. Maybe. I don't know what it is about just thinking about doing it over there. It freaks me out. Can you tell? It's different, dude.
Just bend those knees. Don't land stiff, because you've been kind of landing stiff here.
Yeah, I know. I'm doing that on purpose. All right, Nigel. Don't be a weenie. How tough are you? Can I even get into the salty spittoon? All right, whatever. Here we go. I'm back in that stage, Doug. The resi just makes me nervous. All right. Ooh. Ooh. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. I'm gonna throw one more on the airbag. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting real nervous.
Oh, that would have been a body.
See? I get nervous. I knew that's why I wasn't gonna do it right there. For some reason, I was just like, this is not it.
Good call.
This is not it. I can sense these things. That's why with the trike, I didn't want to go, but I was like, I'm already up here. Let me do this.
That would have been painful.
Yeah, no. It would have been the same as the last one. Can you even reach me? There's a reason.
What do you think now?
Nothing. How do I explain this? When I'm doing stuff that I'm like relatively new to and I get comfortable with it, there's like one or two in between attempts to where I know I'm gonna hesitate and I do it every time, even if I say don't hesitate. I don't know how to not do that, but it happens all the time. I know. Now I'm like, all right, I'm gonna throw it. But it happens with almost anything. That's why I'm like, it's a weird mental thing. But like, watch. Now this one's gonna be perfectly fine. I can already tell. My jitterbug. See, now I feel good. Watch, I feel fine.
God, that would have been way worse than the last one.
But I can toss it, you see?
You did toss
It's weird.
You sure did.
It's so weird. I don't know why I'm like that. I felt comfortable, but I'm like,
Oh, you goddamn would have killed yourself.
Just going for the double.
all right, let me stop straight legging it.
You hit that backflip to down X.
I keep straight legging it and not like
that.
tucking.
God.
All right, I'm gonna tuck this one and we'll be good. All right, Doug, let me get a perfect one just for you. Nice and high, slow, rotate, get it,
And then walk it out.
walk it out, and then resi.
That was like some Banjo Kazooie back there.
Did you hear
See?
me in the air?
I told him, ha! I gotta just do that there. All right, right here. I'm going to resi. All right, we're going to resi. Huh?
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I know. No, I got it. I got it now.
Hey, that was soft.
Yeah.
That was nice. And you know what was good about that? Is that we didn't hear that god awful sound.
I only did that just because it was easy.
What do you think?
I just have to remember my rotation. You dig? All right, right here. All right. Dan, put your phone away. Take it.
Hey, backflip the thing inside. That's a combo.
That's the best one.
That's a combo.
Thank you guys for watching. That's a big one. Alright. I keep trying to land like this, because I feel like that helps. But at the same time, it is kind of soft. Alright. Rollerblade backflip. Take 76.
Yes!
Oh! Alright. No games. Run it back. Do the make it true. Game. No hesitation.
Whoa!
What?
Wow! Wow!
Oh.
Wow! Nigel, that was unbelievably good.
Unbelievably terrifying.
I'm not gonna lie, now that you landed both and you don't have to do them anymore, that was the scariest backflip challenge yet.
I think so. 100% think so.
After you almost died on that one you chucked, it was like, whew.
That one felt really good. Oh my goodness. Well, backflip everything. So far it's going so good. Thank you guys for watching some videos over here. Check them out. Share them, like them, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see me backflip next. I'll try something. I'm going to try and convince these guys to get out on the boat so I can see if I can still backflip awake. It's been a long time. Yeah, subscribe, like, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.